Good morning, everyone. It's Francis. This is Wednesday, day 2 of the Educators Gathering put on by the Lunar and Planetary Institute. We are today not at the Lunar and Planetary Institute, but we're at Space Center Houston, which is NASA. And we are in actually T-38 Talon Park right now. And I'm going to get this so that you can see where I am and what I get to look at. T-38 Talon. The park, as you enter into Space Center Houston, NASA, you're going to pass right by this area. And you're going to get to see these wonderful planes, jets, poised here in motion in T-38 Park right inside the entrance of Space Center Houston. Very, very cool. Day 2 of the Educators Gathering, and we get to have it here inside of Space Center Houston, which is going to be real, real cool. Jorge's going to join us, of course, again for the second day. We learned so much yesterday. Oh, God, we learned so much, and we brought so much home. We didn't even put our hands on everything that we, as far as content goes and activities goes, then was that we went through. We took all day and did a bunch of activities, but there's still more activities to do. And today we're going to learn so much more. And we're going to listen to some more scientists and astrophysicists. I'm sure there's a presentation or two. So I'm going to make this short. It's good morning, Wednesday, day 2 of a great educating event for me. We're inside T-38 Talon Park at Space Center Houston. Oh, there's something else to look at. Come on, let's go see this other thing. Because, right, we're manned missions. Let's get our manned missions on. Get our manned missions on. And let's see if we can keep that facial recognition in. Come on, pull me in. Pull me in. Let's see what we can do there. I'll learn it. It's all a learning process. Pretty cool. I know I'm not doing a very good job of it. There. Yep. Capsule. Oh, this is a pretty cool shot over here too. Oh, let me get my face back in here. Come on, catch up. This shot's pretty cool under here. The belly. Okay. Hey students in Cameroon, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Rolling, and Monday rolling. All my friends, Jessica, Jay-Z, we're gonna have Jorge here. Richard, Mike, Bobster, Debbie, we love you. Kat, Midori, Aaron, Pat Rabbit, Mr. Rowe. Oh, everybody, you know. If I didn't say your name, I'm still thinking of you. We'll see you soon. Bye.